In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix a
Vizio Smart TV
with no signal. If you're seeing a black screen or no image at all, don't worry, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Step 1, check your connections. First things first, let's check all the connections, ensure that all the cables are securely plugged in, and this includes the HDMI cables, power cables, and any other connections that you might have. After you've done that, let's move on to the next step. Step 2, select the correct input source. Next, let's make sure that your TV is set to the correct input source. Using your remote, press the source or the input button to cycle through the available inputs until you find the one that your device is connected to. If you have multiple devices connected, make sure you're selecting the right one. For example, if your cable box is connected to HDMI 1, ensure that your TV is set to HDMI 1. If that doesn't work, let's move on to step 3. Step 3, power cycle your devices. If the issue persists, try power cycling your devices. Turn off your TV and your external device, then unplug them from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds before plugging them back in and turning them on. This can often resolve any temporary issues causing the no signal issue. If that doesn't work, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Step 4, check for software updates. Another possible solution is to check for software updates. On your TV, go to Settings menu, then select Support and Software Update. If there's an update available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Depending on the year and model of your TV, this may look a little different. So check your Settings tab for firmware or anything that says software updates. Updating your TV software can fix bugs and improve performance, which might resolve the signal issue. If that doesn't work, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Step 5, inspect the external device. If none of these steps work, the issue might be your external device, such as your cable box or your gaming console or anything that you have plugged in. Try connecting a different device to the same HDMI port to see if that works. If it does, the problem is likely your original device. You can also try connecting your external device to a different TV to see if the display signal is there. That would help to identify which device is having an issue. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to navigate the no signal issue on your TV. If you're still having trouble, it might be a good idea to contact the TV's support. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.